This 2015 Jeep Cherokee is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by C.D.J.R four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.4 L144 engine, and has 119,365 miles. Drive adventure in this 2015 Jeep Cherokee, reliable, rugged, and ready for new journeys. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.